Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this stuff here. This is really cool looking Kangdai Cold-Hard leather men's braces for trousers with a strong clamps and wild style. It's in a nice looking gift box. Heavy duty bracelets, 3.5 cm wide in one size. The suspenders adjustable for man and woman and so on. With all what we need, invest in a cold hard leather. Everyone needs bracelets. The all leather is made of cow hide. The hand stitched soft and hard, very long lasting shine. And we have 6 metal strong clips. Don't worry about damaged pants or dropping our pants. These heavy-duty metal clips, sturdy but not sharp, and 8-point support design, so little accidents are never on the cards. Suitable for Texas suits, jeans, work pants, and so on. And it's more sustainable than ever. It's made from 100% recycled polyester yarn. The knit fabric of the Kangdai gives one comfort in an eco-conscious mind. Suitable height range of 155 up to 190 centimeter. That's cool. Because my size is 180 centimeter. 180 centimeter, so it matches really proper as you can see. So we get this here with a nice quality. Yeah, and a nice look. A really nice, cool look, I think. Because this is a good alternative thing to hold your pants in position. In the arts of man's fashion, the devil is in the detail. The Kangdai Hope genuine leather points that makes a big difference in mood and tone with that dress, of course. You have all what you need for that because it comes in a good shape and it will make a good job. Oh yeah, of course. That's cool. That's nice, and it looks so modern because this is an other style to wear your trousers anymore. Suspenders, or braces, or fabric, or leather straps worn over the shoulders to hold up skirts or trousers. The straps may be elasticated, either entirely or only at the attachment ends. And most straps are often woven cloth forming an X or Y shape at the back. Suspenders are typically attached to skirts and trousers with a clip or buttons using leather tabs at the end. In British English, a suspender belt, or a suspenders for short, is a garment used to hold up stockings. This is called a garter belt in American English. And it's an historical object, of course. There have been several prefaces to suspenders throughout the past 300 years, but modern suspenders were first popularized in bracelets in 1822 by a London haberdasher, Albert Thurston. They were once almost universally worn due to the high cut of mid-19th and early 20th century skirts and trousers that made a belt impractical. During the 19th century, suspenders were sometimes called galluses. Samuel Clemens, known for his work as the author Mark Twain, patented adjustable and detachable straps for garments. These are ADSGs, becoming one of the first to receive a United States patent for suspenders in 1971. After losing popularity during the World War I, when man became accustomed to uniform belts, suspenders were still regular attire through the 1920s. Because of their image as underwear, some men switched to the belts during the 1930s at the West US and Canada, or waistcoat, which hath hidden suspenders became worn less often. This also signaled the switch into the positions of the securing buttons from the outside of the waistband to the inside. The Life magazine states 1938 that 60% of the American men choose belts for over the suspenders. Through the return of the fuller cut trousers in 1940s, reviewers suspenders they did not dominate over the belts again to the same extent. However, in the UK, they remained the norm to wear with suits and dress trousers. And of course, a lot of fashion is possible with that. While the suspenders have been in and out of the fashion over the last century, you can choose that you bring it back to the haute cuisine, maybe. The fashion will be again with using such kind of suspenders, for example, or maybe this is you are a trendsetter, and you can start to wear a belt, of course, or you change, or you change maybe 1 week a belt, 1 week this one here, this braces for trousers, with a strong clips and wide style. I think this is good and it looks really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!